So all the teachers are welcome here for this teacher activity. Workshop is life skills. So my question here for the teacher activity is, as you can see this clip. So I'm giving you 1 minute to do brainstorming and look at this clip. First of all, carefully look at this picture and generate your point of view in terms of life skill. So carefully look at this picture. As you can see, crumbled balls of paper are there, and the paper is colorful, isn't it? So generate your point of view, think accordingly, and share your valuable point of view with all the teachers here so that we can do wonderful learning from each other. You can volunteer yourself by giving reaction, and we can start our point of view session too. As we all are talking about different life skills here, so you can think accordingly what you can understand by this picture in front of you on the slide. So unmute yourself and share your valuable point of view with all the teachers present out here.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Meenakshi here. I would like to say that even though they are crumbled, they appear to be crumbled, but then it is a piece of art in itself, and the different colors they add so much beauty to this single lined sheet, and especially so when all the colors have been placed in a symmetry. If I talk about the colors that are used in writing the word life and skills, so there is a pyramid of FKS, and then ill is not so ill because it is green in color. And then, of course, don't lie to your own self, because you need a life which is full of skills, not lies. That is what I'm able to decipher from this single sheet. Thank you.
Wonderful, Meenakshi ma'am. It's a wonderful, contribution to this clip. And, every time when we share such, hidden pictures with teachers, they wonderfully give the answer in a very different manner. So every time I understand this very picture in very different ways. So any other teacher who want to contribute? Unmute yourself and you can contribute your point of view.
This is Nagalata. No matter how many times we do it wrong, right? Let us keep trying till we get our best.
Okay, so you want to say that these all crumbled piece of paper is basically we are doing something wrong, right? And n number of
Not up to our satisfaction.
okay, up to satisfaction. Okay. So if I say that all these crumbled piece of papers basically life skill, then what will be your answer? If all these balls are life skills only, then what do you think? What will be the answer for this picture? Any teacher, we have wonderful teachers out here. So if I say these all crumbled pieces of paper balls, they are our students, then what do you think?
Let me pitch in here. I would like to say that all the students actually are like that, a bundle of all sort of skills which are yet to be polished and to be brought forward. They may have abilities, but we need to work on their capabilities also. And at the same time, we need to see what the child is good at, because every child has his or her own inherent abilities. And also, some children may appear to be more passionate about something, so that goes for red. Some may be a little reluctant, but when coaxed into doing some and adding value, they might push in, so that goes for yellow. And some are a little smart all the time. Those who are the sort of, like probably the parental intervention is too high, or their own inherent ability to take interest and keenness to do and perform better than others goes for green, and those who actually look up to the sky is the limit, that goes for blue for me.
Wonderful. So color coding is being done by Meenakshi Alawat ma'am, and I really appreciate it because every time we face a different lot of students every year, isn't it? And we are actually dealing with alpha generation. I hope you all agree with me. So when we are dealing with alpha generation, it means we have a generation which is actually technology oriented or tech savvy. So in that case, we need to think sometimes out of the complete framework, and we need to work on those pieces which we are not actually able to, but yes, we make ourselves capable, isn't it, to deal with all those piece of papers, or you can say the crumbled pieces of balls. So yes, wonderfully explained by everyone that these all are our students and they have different abilities. We are looking for capabilities. We are looking forward to make them more confident. Sometimes they make mistake, but yes, we are the one with empathy dealing with them and raising their confidence to face those challenges which they will face in their life and make them successful citizens. Thank you so much, everyone, for contributing.